It's top 5 on NBA.com on a Sunday evening. How about number 5 down in Miami? Hasheem Thabeet with one of his 5 blocks, and the Grizzlies go the other way. That's Rudy Gay on the alley-oop jam. Career night for Gay, and we'll see more of him in the top 5. Number 4, we're in Toronto where Pops Mensah-Bonsu patrols the lane. David Anderson, your shot is rejected. Number 3 now, we are back in Miami. Dwayne Wade missing, Marc Gasol rebounding. Get it up to O.J. Mayo, who knows just to throw high. Rudy Gay can fly up and catch it and bring it home. 41 on the night for Rudy Gay, a career night down in South Beach. Number 2, we're out in Oklahoma City. LeBron James is athletic, and here is the proof. Reverse jam on the run in traffic. Kevin Durant, get out of the way. A season-high 44 for LeBron. The Cavs got the number 1 play, but it was not LeBron. Cleveland from half court crying, Mo, Mo, Mo. Three-pointer from Mo Williams to beat the shot clock buzzer. That was the backbreaker for Oklahoma City. Good awareness from Mo Williams. His elbow is in, and the shot is in, and it landed at number 1 on the top 5.